Picture this. It's a typical afternoon and you're doing something as simple as walking to your car, but suddenly you find yourself gasping for air. You tell yourself it's nothing, maybe just the heat or fatigue. But deep down, something doesn't feel quite right. What if I told you that this could be a sign of heart failure? It's a reality that millions of people face every day. Feeling out of breath, tired, or swollen, without even knowing that these are critical warning signs. According to the Mayo Clinic, detecting heart failure early can literally save your life. You might not even know you're living with it because the symptoms often start out mild. So mild, in fact, you may think they're nothing to worry about. But this is where things can get dangerous. Heart failure is a silent killer, and by the time you're aware of it, the damage may already be done. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 most important signs of heart failure that you cannot afford to ignore. Trust me, recognizing these signs early could make all the difference in your health. So stay with me, because what we're about to talk about might just change your life. One of the earliest signs of heart failure is breathlessness. When your heart struggles to pump blood efficiently, it can lead to fluid buildup in your lungs, a condition called pulmonary congestion. This makes it harder for oxygen to pass through your lungs, leaving you feeling winded, even with minimal effort. According to the American Heart Association, more than 70% of heart failure patients report experiencing shortness of breath, especially during physical activity or while lying flat. This phenomenon is called orthopnea, and it occurs because the fluid buildup worsens when you're in a lying position. As the heart becomes weaker, even simple activities like walking upstairs or carrying groceries can leave you gasping for air. It's important to recognize this early, as untreated breathlessness can progress into more severe respiratory problems. If you notice this happening regularly, it's crucial to talk to your doctor about your symptoms. Another common symptom of heart failure is swelling, or edema, which happens due to fluid buildup in the body. As the heart weakens, it struggles to pump blood efficiently, causing blood to pool in the veins and leading to fluid retention, particularly in the lower extremities. This swelling is most noticeable in the ankles, feet, and legs, often becoming more pronounced by the end of the day. Gravity causes the fluid to accumulate in these areas, especially when you're standing or sitting for long periods. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, over 60% of heart failure patients experience edema. While swelling can be a sign of many conditions, in heart failure, it reflects the heart's inability to handle fluid properly. It's important to keep track of any persistent swelling, as untreated edema can cause complications like difficulty breathing or even organ failure. If you notice that the swelling doesn't improve overnight or gets progressively worse, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider. An often overlooked but significant symptom of heart failure is unexplained weight gain. When the heart struggles to pump blood effectively, fluid begins to accumulate in the body. This retention of fluid can cause rapid weight gain, sometimes several pounds in just a day or two. Unlike regular weight fluctuations, this kind of gain is often due to excess fluid buildup, which can occur even if you're not eating more than usual. The Mayo Clinic emphasizes the importance of monitoring daily weight changes as one of the most effective ways to detect early signs of fluid retention. Keeping track of your weight each morning before eating or drinking can give you a clear indication of whether the fluid buildup is worsening. If you notice a sudden increase in weight, especially without changes in your diet, it's crucial to speak with your doctor, as this could be an early indicator of heart failure. Have you ever felt your heart race or pound unexpectedly, even when you're resting? This sensation, known as palpitations, could be a sign that your heart is overcompensating due to the strain of heart failure. As the heart weakens and struggles to meet the body's demands, it may speed up to try and deliver enough blood. According to Harvard Medical School, abnormal heart rhythms, such as atrial fibrillation, AF, are common in heart failure patients. AF can cause irregular rapid heartbeats, which often feel like fluttering or pounding in the chest. In some cases, these palpitations can be accompanied by dizziness, fatigue, or shortness of breath. If you're experiencing palpitations along with any other symptoms of heart failure, it's important to seek medical attention. Early intervention can help manage these irregular rhythms and reduce the risk of more serious complications. Fatigue is one of the most common yet often overlooked symptoms of heart failure. When your heart can't pump blood efficiently, the body struggles to get the oxygen it needs. As a result, even simple activities like walking or climbing stairs can leave you feeling drained, despite little exertion. This chronic tiredness isn't just a normal part of aging. It's your body's way of signaling that something isn't right. According to the Cleveland Clinic, fatigue is one of the top complaints among people who are newly diagnosed with heart failure. It happens because the weak heart isn't able to meet the body's demands for oxygenated blood, leaving you constantly fatigued. If you find yourself feeling unusually tired even after rest, or if this tiredness starts interfering with your daily life, it's time to talk to your doctor. Early treatment can help manage fatigue and improve your quality of life. Now that you know the top 5 signs of heart failure, it's time to reflect. Have you experienced any of these symptoms yourself? Or perhaps you've noticed someone else showing signs of heart failure? Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more essential heart health tips. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into practical strategies for managing heart failure and improving your quality of life.